Now, where you put that, but nobody.
Today and Friday, I want to go to now.
Indeed. From the look of it.
Well, today is not a good day. I'm not happy at all. We've come to INEC to express our deep frustration at what is going on. Essentially, we are time bound. We have 21 days from the time that the elections were declared to file. Some of our House of Assembly candidates had their declaration on the 18th, on the day of election. 2 weeks have gone. We've written, we've put in for documents, we've required for INEC to release CTC documents. 2 weeks, nothing. They've not released one single CTC document. And we have to prepare a brief. We have to go to court. We have to prepare for tribunals. We have gotten court orders. They've been ignored. It tells me that something is going on. I don't know what it is, and I don't want to believe the worst in INEC. I believe that at this particular point in time, the onus is on INEC as an independent regulator, an independent administrator of elections, to be fair. Give us what we need so that we can go to court. Let us go to the tribunal and present a case. But if you release documents to us a day before the tribunal, what do? We go unprepared. It's not right. So we expect that. We've come here on Friday. Unfortunately, there's nobody in the office. I've spoken to the rec, and he has promised that Monday something will happen. So we'll be back on Monday. And when we come on Monday, we expect that we will collect and leave INEC with all the documents. We're not leaving this place without those documents. We expect that Monday morning when we come here, we will get every single document that we have requested for so that we can go and prepare for the tribunal. First and foremost, there are court proceedings to compel INEC to do certain things. Then we will file for contempt of court orders, because if they have not done what is meant to be done, then we'll go back to the court and they will seek a redress there. Secondly, we will not live here. At the end of the day, these are our rights. It's our right. These are documents that belong to us at this point. So INEC has no right keeping it. And they know it. So they must release it. It's the right of APC, right of all political parties that went through this process to demand these things so that we can make a case. I am very worried about it. I'm extremely worried about it. We were not happy about what happened in the field on the 18th. We saw a lot of foul play. We're not happy. We saw a lot of results that we stood there. Asaritori is a clear example. The results were totally changed. The DG was at the collation center. He made his protest against it. It was still accepted. Now, having been accepted, give us the documents. Let us review what happened. Nobody is answering us. So yes, I'm very suspicious. And the only, yes, I am suspicious, sorry. The point is that if there is nothing to hide, then you release information quickly. If you have things to hide, then you will delay it. Maybe you are correcting things. Maybe you want to frustrate the appeal. I don't know. But if there is nothing to hide and everything went very, very smoothly, then you release information immediately. The truth is not, no one is afraid of the truth. It's when things are not correct that you start seeing this kind of games. So I really want INEC to prove everybody wrong. They've said that this election went beautifully, there was no problem, everything went smoothly, then release it.
Well, as it takes now, like my principal have quietly stated, we have made application immediately after the elections, asking INEC Rivers State to oblige us with CTC of EC8A, EC8B, EC8C, EC8D, and other related EC series as concerns elections. As I speak to you, INEC have not been able to give us a single document. And what we are talking about is going to tribunal to seek for redress. Recall, we have 21 days within which to file our complaint, to file our petition. How many days left? Some of these results were declared on 18th. Some we don't know when they declared it. So how do we know how and when to meet up the 21 days? So it's intentional. As you can see, I have here a court order compelling INEC to allow us inspect documents, to allow us for them to give us CTC. This order has been duly served on them. They have refused.
They have decided to disobey the law. I don't know where they are deriving their power. I don't know who they are working for. Are they working for the citizens of this country? Or they are working to enrich themselves? Or they are working for a particular individual that satisfies their urge? These are issues we are raising. I wonder why INEC, why REC cannot instruct his principal staff here, the HOD operations and co to release CTC results. It's our right to demand so. The law empowers us to do so. So why are they delaying it? Why are they delaying it? Because they have connived with certain individuals that they think are powerful in the states, and they are enriching themselves, and they think parties should suffer. They think APC should not challenge the illegality they did at the field. Let me tell you, a few days ago, on record, they invited EOs. Some EOs came here to review their results, to review what they brought from the field. What are they doing? Why are they afraid to release National Assembly EC8A? Because of the mutilation they connived in the field, they did. They came here, they were rewriting results, printing result sheets, doing a lot of irregularities in order to justify what they did at the field. That's very poor. The commission as it is here in Rivers State is highly compromised. The REC should be called to order. The REC should call to order. HOD operation should call to order. It's a major conspiracy in this whole thing. The issue of documentation upon approval from REC lies on his table. Why is he holding this document? It calls for attention. It calls for concern. National chairman should hear this. All security agencies should hear this. It's important. They should give us what we want. They should give us what we want. It is our right to file our petition, and we must do so. And if they don't do that on Monday, we'll barricade this place. No worker will come here. They should get ready to kill all of us. Thank you very much.
Assembly. Okay. Good morning. Yes, so we're done. So Monday. Yes, sir.